Hello, Flower Mound. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I know that y'all got hit with hail last year, and I know that you will get hit with more damage, And so many people, I would bet you 40% of people haven't had someone come out and check their roof. Or they might be renting, So like if you rent your house to someone else and they live in Flower Mound, click the link in the description, fill out the form, watch the video, and then we'll set up a free roof inspection. Either which way, it doesn't matter, It's complimentary. It's on the house. What we're doing, I've got some guys that I really like down in the whole DFW area, and I'll send them out to your house, to check your roof. If you've got enough wind and hail damage, we'll take you through the whole system to be able to get you a new roof through your insurance company. If not, then we'll sit on it, we'll wait, and we will wait for new storms to come through. We've got hail trackers. Hail Recon is the tracker that I use. So periodically, our phones just go off, when there's giant hailstorms coming through. And I know that there was a storm that went through there maybe it's probably like 3 weeks ago. Sort of went up, almost like an X over Fort Worth up into your area. So I know that there's hail. I know that there's wind, especially if you haven't gotten a new roof soon, lately. Go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out that form, and I'll have one of my guys, or I'll call you, or I'll have one of my guys call you, and then we'll come out, check your roof. 100% complimentary. Have a great day. Thank you so much for checking me out. Flower Mound, be good.